Ever walked into a restroom and felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of hand dryer options? You're not alone. Choosing the right hand dryer can significantly impact your restroom's efficiency and user satisfaction. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 hand dryers in the US to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the world of hand drying technology and find the perfect fit for your needs. Discover why the Accelerator is a staple in high-traffic restrooms. Known for its powerful air-jet technology, it dries hands in 8 seconds or less, making it one of the fastest options available. The Accelerator combines superior drying performance with energy efficiency. Available in heated and non-heated versions, it offers customization options to match your restroom's aesthetic. Experience the ultra-fast drying of the Dyson Airblade V. Its sleek design fits well in smaller spaces, and its high-speed motors deliver a hygienic and efficient hand-drying experience. The Airblade V features a HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of bacteria and viruses, making it one of the most hygienic options available. It's a reliable investment for businesses seeking hygiene and efficiency. Meet the new hands-in-style contender in the hand dryer market, the Saniflow Dualflow Plus. It's designed for high-traffic areas and built to last, offering an impressive drying time while using minimal energy. Many customers that still desire the hands-in Dyson Airblade AB14 model choose the Dualflow Plus. Despite lesser brand recognition, the Dualflow Plus is gaining popularity due to its superior construction and low-maintenance design. It's a reliable choice for businesses focused on durability. Uncover the underrated features of the Verdi Dry. With low energy consumption and robust construction, it fits seamlessly into any restroom design, offering hands-free operation with a drying time of around 15 seconds. Although World Dryer's marketing efforts are less aggressive, the Verdi Dry stands out as a solid choice for environmentally conscious businesses seeking reliability and efficiency. This dryer by World Dryer is one of the biggest kept secrets in the hand dryer industry. It offers a solid warranty, sleek design, ADA compliance, and a hygienic, fast-drying experience. It offers everything possible in a single hand dryer and competes with the most popular designs. Discover ASI's stylish and energy-efficient hand dryers. Known for their sleek designs, they add a touch of sophistication to any space, making them popular in settings where aesthetics and performance matter. ASI offers a variety of models to cater to different needs. From compact designs for small spaces to robust models for high-traffic areas, there's an ASI hand dryer for every scenario. Let's recap the top 5 hand dryers: Accelerator, Dyson Airblade V, Saniflow Dualflow Plus, World Dryer Verdi Dry, and ASI's variety of models. Each offers unique benefits from speed to energy efficiency and durability. Consider your priorities: speed, energy efficiency, or durability. By choosing the right hand dryer, you'll enhance user satisfaction and restroom efficiency. Ready to upgrade? Visit Pro Dryers to explore these top models. Our team is here to help you find the perfect solution for your restroom needs. Thank you for watching. By investing in a top-tier hand dryer, you'll improve your restroom experience and contribute to a more sustainable future. Let's make the switch today with ProDryers.com.